Alright, so welcome back to another video. So whenever I name something house and I click load, and I go load, it builds me a house. And when I go inside the mysterious house, there's nothing in there. But who cares? It builds me a house. I'm going to teach you how to do that. That's the awesome part about it. So, if you want to know, that's what I'm going to teach you right now. Basically, I'm going to go in a different world. Go in this world, test world. Let me see if it, oh, there's a house already there. Let me spawn in and this is the house that I built in it. I mean, the world. Let me spawn in another one. House. Oh no. Let me just do this one. This one works too. Oh, that doesn't work, sorry. Load. Load. Boom! I got 2 in 1. That doesn't really make sense. But for some reason, when I join another world, or in your world, you try doing it. Create a new world. Create it. Super flat. I'm just gonna. Ooh, there's a village. That's right. Grass path. And then I get a structure block. And then you place it down. Say load. House. Load. Load! Structure is not available! Are you kidding me? So I'm going to teach you how to make your own structure. That actually works. So, first, you want to go into Finder. I'm going to be back when I'm at Finder. And you want to save and quit Minecraft first, and then go into Finder. Then you want to click on, don't quit it though, for real. Then you want to click on File on your top screen. Go on the top of your screen. It's going to be on the top of your screen. Go. You want to click on Go, then you want to click on Go folder. Write in squiggly/library. Then over here, go to Application Support. Then up here, search up Minecraft. And then it'll show you the Minecraft launcher, but you don't want Minecraft launcher, so you want to go to Application Support. That's right next to it. Then go into the Minecraft folder. Then you want to go into your saves. And then you want to find your world, what you call it. So I called it New World. So let me see if I can find it. There it is. So then you want to create a new folder and name it Structure. I don't know how to spell structure. So I'll be back when I'm done. Let me just paste mine in and then let me delete all the files inside of it. So that's what I'm going to do. I can't paste it. Oh, yeah. That's right. Oh, let me go back into my saves. Let me just search up here. What's new? New World. God. It's in both of these worlds. There we go. So you want to make a folder and name it Structures. Then you can exit out Finder. Then you want to go back to Minecraft. I'm in the snapshots. I don't know why, actually. Then go back into your world. And then make the structure block. So you want to give yourself a structure block, which you go give a structure block. Then which house should I do? This one. So let me just make it peaceful. There. So you put down your data, then you make it save, then you name it villager house. Done. Then you want to do 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. There, done. That will summon it up there. Because I'm going to do it. Actually, I want to do it down here. So let me just make it 1, 1, 1. Okay. Not worries. Let me make that to -1. -1. Negative. Okay, that is way better. Let's get any. Okay, that's not better at all. Sweet pies, let me put this behind there and see if it's better. So basically, if you want to do it in another world, you just copy the structures, then paste it into the world that you want. Okay, that's a perfect position. That's not the size. Let me make that 10, 10, 10. Oh, not a perfect position. Just did that like over on this side, put it on the ground. That might make it much better. Sorry about this, guys. It's kind of hard to get it in the exact positions. Really hard, actually. Okay, there we go. So once you got your house, it's not going to copy the entities, only if you click on include entities. I turned that off. If you actually want like a villager to spawn, which I'm going to want to, which I'm going to trap it in anvils. Never get out of right there. There. And I'm going to turn on include entities, so it might spawn in a few other entities. Because there might be another one. And then you want to rename it. Then you want to click on save. Then it'll say save the structure villager house. So when you break it and you want another one of it, you just set your one and then click on load, do load, and keep everything the same if you want it right in front of it, and go villager house. Go load, and that will show you where it's going to be. Click load again, and that will load it in. And then inside of it, it won't spawn the villager. Who cares about that? I don't think that actually works. And you have to get another stair because I didn't put it underground like the other structure block. It needs to be exactly the same. So that screws you. That actually is a pretty good highway. Sucks. And you can edit it if you want. It's not like you can't break any blocks. Break all the blocks you wish. It's not like one of those things that pranks you and says like, you can't break any blocks, you're breaking the law. That probably wouldn't ever happen only if Donald Trump was the president. Just kidding. No offense, no offense. Don't bring me to jail. Just kidding. There we go. So that's good house. And if you want to do it in another world and you're like, it's not working, Mama, they want you. Just lie to me. I'm not lying to you. Don't call me a big fat liar. Because I am not lying to you. You'll see why in a second. I just really want to build this. Actually, good idea. Do it the other direction. Doesn't even activate it. Failure. Sorry about that fail, guys. Not what I was trying to do. So angry what I was trying to do didn't work. It's probably going to work. Yeah, it does work. So the actually only way in, let me just get stairs, is get a redstone torch and place it down. That would only do one. Oh yeah, I know why. Or go inside. What? Oh yeah, and go inside and click on that button. That's actually the only way. And this is a sick area, so I am going to copy it by a structure block. Woohoo! 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 But it has a lot of messy redstone. Let me just cover that up. It's a secret room. So there's only a few ways in. I'm going to put a hidden button. I'm going to add a hidden button that has it turned off. The hidden button is going to be a little bit inside of the back. It's going to be right there. Actually, let me put it a little bit more forward so it's kind of more That would be way too easy to get inside. So there's going to be a button right there that opens it up. And a button in here that opens it up. Your way out. Be like, die, world. This is actually a build that I didn't actually think would work. I was going to be like, fail! But it actually did work. If you were watching how I built that, that's how you built it. If you liked the build, you could just go back to the video. You always can go back and watch it from there if you want to. How you built it. You want to learn how to be a redstone expert like I am. Not a redstone expert. But basically, I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to have to show you how everything works. Okay, I'm not going to place redstone over here, but I'm just going to make that so that I can cover up the area a little bit more. I'm going to show my sister when she comes back from Boston. I just cover that up. There. So basically, how this works. I made two buttons, one button inside and one button that is not so obvious outside. A button in the middle of nowhere. They'll see redstone and sometimes that tricks people, so they might think like, I don't want to do that. Or else you can make it more back if you want. I might put it in the link below. I might not. I might put it in the link below. I might not. This area. And I'm going to teach you how to get one if it's in the link below. I don't know why that iron door is there, but I'm going to break it and put diamond blocks. Okay, there we go. This is how it looks in here. And some people, they might get trapped in here. Let me just put another button right at the door. So how this button works. This button is just connected. It might not work. Yeah, it works. Sweet. So I have three buttons that open it up. That if your friends want to come in and you don't want to tell them the button, only you want to know the button. And that when you're coming out of the thing. So there's three important buttons in the area. 1, friends. 2, you. 3, you. So there's 2 for you and 1 for your friends, because you don't usually want your friends to just be able to like steal in or something into your house. Or else, if you do, just tell them where the button is so they could open it at any time. Or you could open up the door if you want to just go to the front door, but if you're like bored and you want to go to that one, you can just go to that one. So I'm going to actually make this house a little bit more wide, which I'm going to be hard because I already have some redstone. I'm going to have to make the redstone a little bit more wider. Actually, I don't want to. It's actually a good area. If you want to make it wider, you can. You probably know how to. You just break part of the redstone and make it wider, and then you can replace that redstone. So basically, I'm going to teach myself how I build this. Let me just get concentrated. And I'm going to make a saved world, and I'm going to do everything off screen. I taught myself. Sorry about that. I just had to teach myself. And if you want it to be more obvious, you could, of course, you could do it actually whatever you want with it. Just put the button right there, and they'll be like, and some. Oh yeah, I didn't put redstone right there. And some people actually don't like buttons because you can make a button out here that actually explodes TNT or kills the nearest player, which wouldn't be you, it would be the player right here, because the command block would be closer to them, only if you were like right next to the command block like right there. That's what I would want to stay at. Like sometimes there's prank buttons and there's real buttons. Like we could do something like this. Actually, you have to make that. Two buttons. One. Second. Go. Alright. The real one has to be over there. The fake one's going to be over here. So you go. You could do this in an adventure map. Just go over here, cover this up. Mine will be in the description. That was made by me, so if you're making this, please, please, please give credit to me. And you can make a button. And it's going to say like burn, and then you can put the command block on top of that. Say like burn, and it explodes them. Or you could do my simple build and do it like that. I'm going to make that a little bit more farther so it's not so obvious. And now I'm going to copy it by a structure block. I'm going to name it Redstone Build. Let me just do what I was going to do. I was basically going to fill this area up. Okay. Then now I'm done, so I can clear out my inventory. So there we go. Now I'm going to copy it with the structure block. I'm just going crazy, easy, easy, crazy, easy. That's P, not 2P. Structure block. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it underground. I'm going to name it save. And I'm going to see. I'm going to do what I always do, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, that is actually not in the area at all. I know how to make it in the area. So it's over there. Okay, so you usually want to put the structure block behind your structure. Like behind it. So this is basically how I usually do it. I usually do 10, 10, 10, 10. That is actually a very good number and it is highly recommended. And actually it's going to be bigger than 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm just going to change that to 100. Actually, that's going to be too big. 20, 20, 20, 20. It's actually usually something that ends with a 0. Okay. I don't know why I can't just do this. Okay, let me just make that a little bit more higher because it made it higher over there. Right to file. Relative position. I'm going to change that to 2. That's going to change it up in the air one more. So that's much better. Then I need to wider. There. I need to change that a little bit more. 2. Okay. That's not actually, that was how wide it is, how big it is. So 1 is the perfect amount, I think so. Yep, it is. Then we're going to make the number that we never did. So like 10. Done. Okay, that makes it way, so we're going to do it to -10. And that will make it back here, and it will make it in the exact place. We did it, guys. We did do it. Actually, I want to make it a little bit more. Actually, it's okay over there. All I missed is stairs. That's actually all I missed. And that, okay, actually, I'm going to make it more down. I'm going to keep that at 0. For some reason, I just think I got nausea. Okay, that's 0. That's actually kind of better, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. That's it. There. That's perfect. Now we're gonna name this. It's going to get. No, it's not. Cool Redstone Creation. Actually, I'm just gonna name it Redstone for now. Redstone House. I'm just gonna name that Redstone House. That is so accurate. So if you liked my Redstone House, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Same structure as a Redstone House and all. I'm going to show you how to do it now, and this is going to be the easier version. I love doing this for some reason. I love copying my work. I love building, and I love YouTube. So I love all my subscribers, you know. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love all you guys. Wait, why isn't that working? Oh yeah, the button needs to a little bit more wired up. Let me just put the button somewhere else. Okay, let me just put the diamond blocks back. So probably when you do it, that won't work. Just make it one more block length. That's fine. You can make it back. You probably know how to. I'm not going to explain right now. Yeah. There we go. I just did it, so you probably already know. So let me just show you how you get it back. I'm just going to quit the game entirely. You're going to see this, but you won't now. Okay. So basically what you want to do is you want to go into Finder, then you want to go to Go folder, then it'll bring up this. Go, the exact same thing. Squiggly / library with an uppercase L, and then go. Then you want to go into application support, and if you can't find Minecraft, which I did, search it up there. Then go to saves, which is the saves file is right there, and I told you to make a folder. Where's the saves file? I actually don't know where it is, so it's just up here. It's actually there already. Pretty cool. Then you go inside of your worlds, which I was in. I think I was in something. What did I call it? It's not here. Roblox. It's not here. It's not in that desktop. Sorry, you're not saying anything. Oh, quit my Minecraft. That's not good. That's not good. Sorry about that, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I need to see what the world was called so I can just keep on going. Now I'm going to save that world. It's called New World. Oh yeah, it was this one. There we go. Structures. So there's going to be 2 because I did both. Now I'm going to put this New World, and now I'm going to copy it and make a new file. Now let me go back. Let me go into Minecraft. Okay, let me just go into that file. Go. Okay, let me just go back to Minecraft. Let me make a new world, and a new folder, and name it Save Worlds. That's completely wrong. Save World. Okay, no. Now let me just paste this item inside of there, and that goes inside. And then how do you put it into the other world? So you want to go into structures, and then you want to copy the structures file. And then you want to paste it into. Copy. Sorry about that. I just did that by accident. Okay, and then you want to go to copy that. Then you want to paste it into whatever you want, or else it won't work. So I'm just going to go into my saves. So I'm going to search that up here. Saves. I don't know why. Nope, that's not saves that I want. So then I go into test world, and basically I just paste in this. No, I paste it there. I did that by accident. I pasted it in, but it pastes the folder, so I'm just going to drag these onto my desktop. And I drag it in there. And you want to drag that back to your desktop so it actually gets put in. Then now when I click on exit, you have to do this or else you won't have both of them, and go to test world. That's where I put it in. And then get my structure block. And then go load redstone house. I don't think I put an exclamation mark. Load. Load. There we go. Now I have my redstone house. See if it's working. Opens up. Opens up. Oh yeah, that doesn't open up. I need to do the magic, which I need to go. Okay. Now. Not supposed to be here, it's supposed to be there. And then there. Bomb. That's how you do it. Sorry guys. So that's how you basically do it. So if you want to build one for yourself, just do that. And that's how you make one. I hope you enjoy this video, so bye.